This union shows the way for the United States of America. The goal is, what's primal? We care. Every educator in this room, every nurse in this room, when I say educator, Fred, I mean every educator, pre-K through higher education. Every one of you care about our students, care about our communities, care about the work we do. And in exchange for that, we just ask for a decent life. And that is what the United States of America is supposed to be about. You do that in NYSUT. We've done that here. We've made public education important. We've made universities important. But we have to create common cause with people. The stuff we have to do about AI is really important. We have to fight for devices down, hands on, and eyes up, like you did in terms of the cell phone battles. We have to fight to make sure human beings, not robots and not big tech oligarchs, are in charge of this country. We see progress in New York. What ends up happening is that Florida or Louisiana or Iowa or Texas tries to snatch that away from people. And this is one of the reasons why it's really important not just to do the work in New York, but we have to do the work nationally. My friends, this is where I need the New Yorkers to lead. If we believe in possibility, if we believe in the promise of America, if we believe in strengthening public education, if we believe in public universities, if we believe that working people should have a right in this country to live and one job is enough and they have a dignified retirement and real health care, if we believe in all of that, will we go back to our schools and our locals and make that clear to our members? Will we take the action we need, like we're doing with Tier 6, like we did when we said call out Cuomo, like we did in the constitutional conventions? Will we take the actions to win and win a better life? And when we do that, we will see the promise of America and the possibilities that you teach every single day. Thank you.